Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Dark green color, violet color, pink color, light green color, purple color, red color, orange color, brown color, yellow color, sky blue color, dark blue color, black color. Today we are trying to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A for animals. B for box. C for chair. D for doll. E for eyes. F for fox. G for glass. H for hand. I for insect. J for jam. K for king. L for lips. M for map. N for news. O for olive. P for pillow. Q for question. R for ring. S for sky. T for trees. U for umbrella. V for vulture. W for water. X for Xerox. Y for yum. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.